Hi, my name is Will Drury. I'm the founder and CEO of Diagon. I was here at the Supply Chain Forum today at the IMTS presenting about our marketplace for manufacturing and industrial equipment. We help companies that are sourcing things like industrial equipment for battery manufacturing, automotive and aerospace products as well, find equipment that they need to make their products. So today I had an opportunity to present at the Supply Chain Forum. I talked about the supply chain landscape and specifically the landscape for sourcing of high specification manufacturing equipment. Capital equipment sourcing as a domain within the broader procurement function is one of the less talked about and lesser known sourcing functions. Fewer than 5% of the buyers in the industry are focused on sourcing equipment for their factories. And so we've set out to build software tools to just make that job a lot easier. We help companies source equipment that they need through both our marketplace, but we also help companies that have surplus equipment sell their equipment onto the market confidentially and so that they can get the best value for their equipment. The buyers of that equipment end up getting much shorter lead time than they would if they had to order it directly, and usually a pretty healthy discount. And so what we're really doing is helping to foster efficiency within the market, making sure that the right equipment gets into the hands of the companies that need it, and that those companies get the right equipment at the right price and at the right time. The key takeaways that I wanted our audience to walk away with were just a really solid understanding of the political landscape that's shaping a lot of the manufacturing decisions that are happening all across the country. There have been announcements about new factories for semiconductors, batteries, and lots of other products. I wanted our audience to know and understand what was happening and why this is just a very important and critical point in time. With the nearshoring efforts happening due to the lack of manufacturing capacity and infrastructure in our country, it's really imperative that we build more capacity to make the products that we all rely on. There have also been tariffs that are imposed on foreign goods coming from countries like China. I wanted to make sure that our audience also knew and understood that, and what both the positive effects, let's call them the primary effects of incentivizing people to buy American products, but also the secondary effects that it could have on price increases and other things that are usually second order effects from tariffs. I also wanted our audience to walk away with an understanding of the problem that we're solving, the product that we're bringing to the market to help solve that. And more broadly, I think that we're just one solution of many that are attacking this problem. We're working together with companies that are doing all sorts of things, from companies that are focused on getting better trained workers in the workforce to operate the equipment once we help our customers get that equipment. And so I think that it's really going to take all of us working together to make this thing happen. So that's part of the reason why I'm so excited that we got to share our vision for the future and the product that we're building, so that others can work with us together and to achieve this vision.